In this video, I'll show you how to approve a sponsor request on Cash App. Sponsor requests usually come up when someone wants to send you money or link with you through promotions inside the app. To get started, open Cash App on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Activity tab, which looks like a little clock icon at the bottom. Here, you'll see your pending requests, including any sponsor request that's waiting for your approval. Select the request you want to review. Cash App will show you the sender details and the amount involved, so double-check that everything looks correct and that it's from a trusted source. If everything checks out, tap Approve to allow the sponsor request to go through. If you don't recognize it or it looks suspicious, you also have the option to decline right there. Once approved, the funds or connection will reflect immediately in your account. Always make sure you're approving only genuine sponsor requests to keep your account secure. And that's it. Now you know how to handle sponsor requests easily in Cash App. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.